Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow your shoulders to soften, your jaw to unclench, your breath to find its natural rhythm. This is your moment to pause, to connect, and to listen deeply. As parents, caregivers, and humans, we often focus on what our children need to hear from us. But in truth, the words they need most are often the same words our own inner child has been longing to hear. So today, let's bridge that gap between the child before us and the child within us. Let's offer both of them compassion, patience, and love. Imagine your younger self sitting before you, maybe at 5, perhaps 12, maybe even a few years ago. Notice their eyes, their posture, their energy. This part of you has carried so much, longing to feel seen, heard, and loved, just as they are. Now gently begin to speak to them, the words you may have needed the most. I see you. I hear you. I trust you. I love you no matter what. I will not judge you. I will stand up for you. I will protect you. I will stay here with you. I will always be by your side. I'll be there for you through it all. I can see that you are trying your best. We will get through this together. You are safe here with me. You have a beautiful heart. You are worthy of my time. You are a good person. You are special to me. You are important. Your feelings matter. You are wanted. You are loved. You are enough. Let these words settle into your body, not just as thoughts, but as truths. Allow them to echo through every age you've ever been. You are healing generations each time you speak to yourself with love. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine these words flowing outwards to your children, your family, your community. Because when we offer love to our inner child, we model safety and compassion for the children in our care. Know that you can return to these words anytime. They are always waiting for you. May you move forward today with a softer heart, a grounded presence, and the knowing that you and your child are deeply enough, exactly as you are.